Making video content is hands down one of the best ways to reach new viewers and potential customers. But let's be real about the grind involved. You have to handle the script, the rehearsals, the shoot, and then the endless edit, export, and upload dance. After you finally publish, there is the whole promotion across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, which feels like a full-time job. What if I told you there is a tool that takes those long videos you already have and turns them into platform-ready shorts fast? It automatically finds the best moments, trims them into vertical clips, adds captions, suggests titles, and even schedules them for you. That sounds like magic, which is exactly why I want to talk to you about Vizard today. I found Vizard after banging my head against the video timeline for months, and it completely changed my workflow. The thing that sold me wasn't just that it cuts clips, it is that it actually understands what is likely to go viral. It scans long videos and highlights the parts where the energy spikes, where people laugh, or where the key ideas hit. It pulls out multiple short, ready-to-post clips, so you no longer have to hunt for the perfect moment at 32 minutes manually. Let's walk through the experience so you can see why it is worth your time. First, you paste a long video link from YouTube or Vimeo, or just upload a raw file directly. Vizard starts by processing the file and analyzing the content to find the best potential highlights. The software is doing face and voice detection, identifying jumps in engagement and marking the strongest moments. Once the analysis is done, you get a set of recommended clips ranked by how engaging the algorithm thinks they will be. Vizard gives you several formats, including full bleed vertical or boxed vertical that preserves the original frame. You can preview each clip, see the AI-generated captions, and check the suggested titles. The neat thing is that the AI does quick edits like zooming in on a reaction or adding smooth transitions. The clip feels like it was crafted by a human for shorts, not just ripped out raw. There is also an auto-edit viral clips feature that is an absolute game changer for busy creators. Turn it on and Vizard will automatically stitch together the pieces it thinks will perform best. It balances the pacing and produces a short that is perfectly optimized for attention on platforms like TikTok or Reels. You can still tweak anything, like changing a subtitle, swapping the clip order, or choosing a different crop style. For most creators, the auto-edit gives you 90% of what you need right out of the box. Another sweet part is the auto-schedule function, which is huge if you cannot babysit uploads every single day. You tell Vizard how often to post and what times you prefer, and it queues up clips and publishes them automatically. It is literal content autopilot that lets you focus on creating rather than managing the tech. Pair that with the content calendar and you get a single place to manage and preview what is going live. No more juggling separate dashboards or copying and pasting titles from a spreadsheet. I know the obvious next question. How does this stack up against other tools currently on the market? Some competitors cost more. Some focus purely on cropping, while others promise automation but still require heavy manual edits. In my testing, the main differences are price, depth of automation, and how polished the final output feels. Vizard hit the sweet spot of automation, polish, and workflow integration for my specific needs. It doesn't just spit out clips, it gives you a system to get those clips in front of people consistently. Let me show you what I did when I grabbed a random long-form interview from YouTube and fed the link into Vizard. In minutes, Vizard processed the video and started suggesting clips grouped by top picks and reaction highlights. The interface ranks them so you don't have to guess which ones are worth posting. I clicked the top recommendation and was able to preview a vertical clip with clean cuts and auto captions. I downloaded one version for direct upload and queued another to be posted automatically to my channel. One thing I appreciated is that the tool keeps context, preserving hooks and mini narratives. When a clip needed a quick fix, the in-app editor was simple and fast to use. Now, on the topic of captions and metadata, Vizard automatically generates subtitles optimized for engagement. This is clutch because captioning is critical. Most people watch on mute, and writing titles is a time sink. From a distribution standpoint, Vizard connects to your channels so you can publish directly without downloading. Link your accounts, choose a post, tweak the title, and publish or schedule everything in one go. The calendar view is especially helpful if you are running a cross-platform funnel. It becomes a real content flywheel, short to long to subscriber and eventually a loyal fan. Let's talk numbers. For me, a task that used to be a 3-hour session turned into 20 minutes with Vizard. That is a real productivity boost. And if you value your editing hours at all, it quickly pays for itself. Now, no product is perfect. If your source footage is super noisy, any AI will struggle to generate perfect captions. Also, ultra-fine editorial control still benefits from a human touch when something is mission critical. But for 90% of your everyday posting needs, Vizard nails the output quality. Compared to other tools, Vizard combines automation, scheduling, and a single hub, which is what creators need to scale. So what is the call to action? If you are tired of spending half your week editing, try Vizard on a real video today. Test the auto-edit, check the clip recommendations, and see how the calendar fits into your rhythm. I dropped a link in the description where you can sign up and poke around to see if it works for your workflow. Bottom line, if you want to turn long episodes or live streams into consistent content without burning hours, Vizard is the way. It finds the viral moments, assembles them into polished clips, and helps you actually get them out the door. If this sounds like your pain point, go try it and watch how much easier the whole process becomes for you. And hey, if you end up loving it, hit me up in the comments. I want to see what you create with it.